Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method and weeks. Let's get started. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is to make sure to select a site wherein you want to remove that specific payment method. So for this one, let's choose this site that I have right here. And then from in there, it will redirect us to the dashboard of that specific site. Now we can just wait for this right here to load in order to see this left sidebar right here. Now, on this left sidebar, you can see a lot of things. So what you can do is you can actually just head over and then scroll down from this specific thing right here. Then from in there, you should be able to see this bills and payment. So from in there, you can just click on that. Then once you have click on that specific thing, you should be able to see in here the payments that you have. So just click on the manage payment methods. And then in here, for example, you have already connected the payment method like PayPal. You can just click on that specific payment method right there. And then from in there, you should be able to see unconnect instead of connect right here from there. It can be either disconnect or remove as well. So just click on that and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to properly remove that. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.